Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be preparing chana dal chutney. This chutney will be very good with any rotis, chapatis, dosas. You can try it once and let me know if you liked it. So what we need to prepare chana dal chutney is, I have taken half cup of chana dal, few curry leaves, 3 dry chilies, half cup of grated coconut, little bit of tamarind and salt and other ingredients for tempering. Now let's prepare the chana dal chutney. Take a pan, add some like 1 teaspoon of oil. When it is hot, add chana dal and fry it until it become little bit goldenish. Keep stirring so that it should not get burnt or charred. When it is little bit of goldenish color, you can add dry red chilies to it and also curry leaves. I have taken dry curry leaves, you can add fresh curry leaves. Now you can see chana dal, dry chilies and curry leaves is fried and ready. Add grated coconut into this and fry it for 2 more minutes. Now along all these ingredients, add tamarind and salt and grind it. Now you can see it is grinded. I have transferred it into a bowl. Now I have to prepare for tempering. Take a pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil. Add mustard seeds. Mustard seeds crackles, you can add half teaspoon of cumin seeds and 3 to 4 curry leaves. You can add fresh curry leaves. A pinch of asafoetida. And add this tempering to the chana dal chutney and mix it well. Now the chana dal chutney is ready to serve. This is very easy and tasty. Try it. Hope you all enjoyed cooking with me. The simple chana dal chutney. Will meet in next video with next recipe. Until then, bye bye. Thank you. Take care. Please like, share and subscribe.